Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create rounded images and animate them. But first, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss a new video. To start off, I'm going to show you how to create rounded images. We're just going to put border radius 50% in the first image class so that the first image is a circle. As you can see, the image turned into a circle. If you want it to be more like a circle, you can adjust the dimensions of the gallery. You can also take out the border that's around the circle or even make it into a circle border. Now I'll show you how to flip an image with a 2D and 3D version. I'll start off by flipping an image two-dimensionally. First, we're going to create an image hover class and then put the following pieces of code in it. Scale x-1 means that the y-axis is passing through the origin of the image, so if you put a negative number as the value between the brackets, the image will become flipped. If it's a positive number, the property just adjusts the width of the image. I'll show you the images in the browser. As you can see, once you hover over the image becomes flipped. Finally, I'll explain how to flip an image three-dimensionally. First, we're going to create a class called flipbox. These pieces of code create a box in the background that allows the picture to look more 3D when flipping. The perspective piece of code is the number of pixels that the picture goes outside of the box in the background when it's flipping. So it basically just looks more 3D. Now we're going to create a flip box inner class for formatting the image while it's flipping. After that, we're going to make the class that makes the image flip horizontally. Next, we're going to add the pieces of code that position the image while it's flipping. Backface visibility hidden just means that the image won't be able to be seen from the back once it's flipped over. Now we're going to style what the back of the image is going to look like once the image is flipped over. It'll be the part that includes the caption for the image. After that, we're going to go put the div classes in the HTML file. I just took out the captions from last time since we already have a caption at the back of the image. This is what the final pieces of the HTML code look like. I had a little bit of a problem with the indenting, so make sure that your code is indented like so. Now I'll show you what this looks like in the browser. As you can see, all of the images now flip. That's all for today. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create a responsive image gallery. Let me know what other things you'd like to learn how to create on a website in the comments below, and I'll include those ideas in an upcoming tutorial. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial, and check out the next tutorial to learn more.